Let's make the everyday a bit more unique. My name is Chloe, and today I'm here to show you some easy everyday hairstyles for short hair using the Shark HyperAIR. Who doesn't love a cute headband? It's really easy to dress up a low-key everyday look with a really cute headband. I prefer something like this that you can just put on right behind your ears. Also, this option is great where you can put it around your neck, and then I use bobby pins to secure them so it doesn't move around. So these two are great options. But before we get into all the accessories, I'm gonna blow dry my hair with the Shark HyperAIR to about 80% dry. When I do a rough blow dry on my hair, I set the temperature and the airflow both to medium, and I like to concentrate the blow dryer at my root just to make sure those roots are dry. Now that my hair is about 80% dry, I'm gonna attach the IQ styling brush to the Shark HyperAIR, and we're gonna finish straightening, adding shine and volume all at the same time. Since I have a ton of hair, I really like sectioning while I'm blow drying with the IQ styling brush. I also take small sections and hold my hair pretty tight. This just allows my hair to get super straight and sleek, and I like to add that little bend at the end. When I get to the top section of my hair, I curl everything backwards. This just allows for a really bouncy look. Now that my hair is completely dry and styled using the IQ styling brush, we are ready to add the headbands. Okay, now with this headband, it goes completely around your head just like this. Put that little knot right where your part is and then set it right on top of your ears, just like this. Take a brush and pull out all these face framing hairs. And then I brush out the same on the other side. Now, what I like to do, once it is set in place, I like to take a bobby pin, open it up, go right here at the back of the headband, put it towards the back, right above your ear, and push forward. This just secures the headband in and doesn't make it move. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. And now you're ready for anything, from work to a date or just dinner out with friends or family. And now I wanna show you guys how I achieve a half up, half down ponytail look. I start the part at the back of my ears and then take it all the way up to the top of my crown, and then I will just kind of hold it loosely and finger comb everything backwards and then pull any face framing pieces I want down. I take a medium to small elastic and I will wrap it around 3 times so it's pretty tight. I also like to loosen things just a little bit more to add that volume and undone look at the top, and then tighten it again, and there you go. I love this half up, half down hairstyle. It is literally the perfect marriage between very casual and super chic, all mixed into one without the effort of doing a full updo. And that is how you bring some ease to your everyday hairstyles. Make sure you guys check out sharkbeauty.com for more tips, inspiration, and to shop the HyperAIR and the IQ stylers.